Hey guys, this is how to change folder to save autocrat PDF in Google Spreadsheets. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand that better. So guys, in order for you to change the folder where autocrat saves PDF in Google Sheets, you can just simply go ahead and create a new folder in your Google Drive. And from there, just simply go ahead and place the sheet and the template inside the folder in the Google Drive. And from there, just simply go ahead and create a new folder in the first folder to contain the PDF. And after that, when you are creating an autocrat a job, just simply go ahead and select the folder so you can store the PDFs in. So guys, here are some other steps you can take to use autocrat with Google Sheets. So first, just simply install the autocrat add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. And after that, just simply go ahead and create a Google form so you can receive responses. And from there, just simply go ahead and create a template Google Doc with a placeholders for spreadsheet information. And from there, just simply map the placeholders to spreadsheet columns. And just simply choose to generate PDF or choose Google Docs for each entry. And from there, just simply run the AutoCAD job and just simply find the PDF in the Google Drive folder. And there you go. I hope this video will help you understand more. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.